Day 8. I got another one of my favourite cloths out. Obviously, I love Japan, so I love bamboo and I love blue. And it's quite an old cloth. I use this as a tablecloth, this one. I love this cloth. Now, if you remember lesson 4, where I got the wine and I was expecting 2 full bottles of wine and I had to have a serious words with my husband, he's done it again. This was a tin of biscuits. It's now an empty cylinder because we're going to do cylinders next. So apparently he had wine and biscuits, which is quite nice, isn't it, for a Yorkshireman? So now we have an empty tin of biscuits. So I've got to go and buy more biscuits. So this is the perfect way to wrap a cylinder of biscuits. And again, if you come to my house, bring me the biscuits, don't bring me the empty tin. So for this one, we're going to put the biscuits, or the tin that had the biscuits in the middle of the cloth. We're going to roll it over so this cloth covers. I'm going to pull it just slightly towards me and fan that one out there. This is how I live, you know, towards Christmas. Everything I go to find, it's gone. And he'll say, oh, I didn't know it was for Christmas. The fact it's got Christmas biscuits written on it, it should be a clue. But there you go. As long as he's happy. So with this one, we're going to roll over to there. I'm just going to move that box there down there because I need longer table. So, you know, this is me without a drink. I don't drink. So can you imagine what would happen if I did drink? I have 2 ladies who go on to my tours very regularly, Ruth and Penny, and I was actually so stressed last year, the year before that, I did actually have a drink, and I got back to my room, and the next morning Penny and Ruth said, did you have a great evening? And I honestly could not remember where I'd been. Luckily, Penny and Ruth took me home in a taxi, so it's probably a good idea I don't do drinking. Okay, back to the wrapping. So we've rolled it here, we're going to roll it all the way to the front, and on this one it's got the name of the cloth on it, which is really nice. So we're going to go to either side and you're going to pull it to the top so it's nice and neat. So to the top and fold it through, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. So it's almost sort of a pinch to get the ends nice, and then you bring up the edge. So for this one, we're going to do 1 knot. We're not going to do 2 knots this time. And we're actually going to do it straight across. We've never done that before. We're going to go straight across. So you've got either side. You're going to flip this upside down. And all you're going to do with this one, that's where you're going to tie your knot. So we're going to do your cross knot. And then we're going to do... You've got big fingers. I've got big fingers. You're going to do your side knot. And you've now got a perfectly wrapped cylindrical object. Come back for day 8. Christmas is happening in my house. We've got loads more projects coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.